Marvin Gabrion, the man sentenced to death for killing a Newaygo County woman more than a decade ago, will avoid lethal injection, at least for the time being. Gabrion is also suspected in several other missing persons cases. 24-hour News 8's Danny Carlson has been looking over a Court of Appeals decision today. She joins us now with what she's found out. Danny?
Sue, it's all spelled out in this 74-page opinion that was just released today. The Circuit Court of Appeals decided that Marvin Gabrion should get another chance at the sentencing phase of his trial. That means that he might be sentenced to life in prison instead of the death penalty. Gabrion was convicted of killing Rachel Timmerman back in 1997. He dumped her body in a lake in the Manistee National Forest. But if her body had been found less than 250 feet away, Gabrion would have been tried in state, not federal court, and he never would have faced the death penalty. That's part of the reason he's going to get another shot at the sentencing. The appeals court decided in this decision that Judge Robert Holmes Bell should have allowed Gabrion's attorneys argue that Gabrion shouldn't get the death penalty because it's illegal in the state of Michigan. They also decided that since Judge Bell didn't tell the jury that they had to believe beyond a reasonable doubt that Gabrion should get the death penalty, that he should get a new sentencing. Now, we have been tracking down people involved in this original case all day, asking them what they think of this decision. Judge Bell released a statement saying, "Because this matter is not over and there are many miles left, I'm unable to comment at this time." We also contacted the federal prosecutor's office. They also declined our interview requests today, saying only that, quote, "We are reviewing the opinion and considering our options and consulting with the Department of Justice in Washington, D.C. Now, when we did speak with a legal expert today, he says a decision like this is rare in normal circumstances, but not so much in a death penalty case, because since death is a final sentence, it can't be reversed.
Those states that insist, or the federal government insist on the death penalty, this is the price you pay. Long appeal periods, long delays, lots of taxpayers' dollars going over the same arguments over and over. Eventually, he may be executed, maybe never. But if he does, it might be probably another 12 years away.
Now, just to reiterate, Gabrion is still guilty of murder. It states very clearly in this opinion that his guilt is not in doubt. Basically, now what we'll have to wait and see is to see if the U.S. Attorney's Office decides to prosecute him again and try to get the death penalty again, and what sentence Gabrion will get from a new jury. At the live desk tonight, Danny Carlson, 24-hour News 8.